Where's this girl now? I'm coming since. Hello, baby. Where are you now? I've already booked the hotel. I've done 1 or 2. My body is already doing me. Hey, you are coming since. Where are you coming? You say what? You don't have... Hey God. Baby, you would have said this since now. Send your account number. Send your account number. I will send the money for you now. I'm already charged up. You need urgent 5K. Tell me now. I will send it for you. Send your account number to this number. Yes, to this number.
You mad? You want some more money, Abi? You want some more money? Not be the carry stingy association of Nigeria for head. So you want some woman money?
No.
Don't be a tell about say I want some smart way tell me say we cannot trust in and they sell woman money.
Now online be that man.
You dey mad.
No go come.
Call the guy now. Call her and tell her say you not dey send anything give her.
I'm calling her.
Call her now, Bishop, I'm calling her.
Hello, baby.
You see they call her baby. Why they call her baby?
Hello, girl.
Yeah, girl. Which baby? Very good.
I've seen the account number.
Very good.
I'm not sure I can send it.
Not be say you not sure. You tell her say you will see what you can do. What be our motto?
I will see what I can do.
Very good.
You don't need to come. I will see what I can do.
Very good. No, if you want to come, you can come for free. Or if you would not disturb you, say me you don't do what you want to. But not give her anything. If you want use her money, take come. Okay. I not get issue with that one. After all, now you won't come. No, I not get anything to do with it. But before I go, because we need to renew your vow. Raise your hand. Nonsense, you want send money give woman. Must they acting? Now me they follow you. Now me be your military agent. Oh yeah, do your hand. Say I can't be. Renew my vow. As a stingy man. On no account. Or no condition. Or no circumstances. Will I give a girl? Shishi. Stingy man.
I will see what I can do.
Say it louder. Stingy man.
I will see what I can do.
Stingy man.
I will see what I can do.
Shishi.
We no go give.
Very good.